Sir Francis, shout out sa'yo. Test mic, 1, 2, test mic. Sa Van Beveren ka. BMS ako, BMS.
Magkaiba yung stats natin. Ayos o. Magkaiba yung stats.
Para hindi magulo.
Para mas malaki na.
Yun dyan sa baba yung...
Kala ko dito eh.
Dito bala.
Dito na. So dito. Wala magpipicture.
Arnold.
Nasaan?
Number 2. Number 12. Number 18.
Iyan, tulungan niyo ako sino magre-rebound dito sa ano, Ben.
Oo.
Gabriel. Ron, pabira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. 13. May foul tayo. Who's foul left? Number 2 foul. Last touch. 18 seconds at clock. 18 seconds. Pasa sa ilalim. Ay Rico. Provide. Foul tayo.
Who's foul rep?
Number 5.
Foul number 5.
Second team foul.
First personal foul, second team foul. Nagagawan. Rico, tumira ng 3. Wala. Jansen.
Ron.
Louis. Tumira. Rebound ni Bong.
19. Tira, idol!
Balik kay Arnold, pasa. Kay Bong, tumira. Wala, rebound, Tiape. Out of bounds.
Sinbon!
Blue ball. $15 seconds. 10 seconds. Wala. Bong, nagdadala. Tumira si Bong, wala. Napunta kay Arnold, tumira ng 2. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni... Nakita ni Ron. Pasa. Wala.
5 and 12.
Bio. Stepping on the line. Arnold, pasa kay Ron, pasa kay Bong. Reverse, wala. Nagagawan. Same ball. Layup, wala. Nakuha ni Tiape. Ortiz. Kay Bio. Pasa kay Rico. Turn around, wala. Nagagawan. Number 1. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Batang. Nagdadala. And we have a foul by number 12.
First personal foul, first team foul. Sabret Hussein. Ike.
2 free throws coming up for Bong. Wala pa rin tayong score.
Pasok na. Pasok.
Yung 5 minutes, palit 5.
5 minutes, ayun o. Yeah.
5 minutes, palit 5. Pumasok, yung unang free throw. Palit.
Wala. Ituloy siya.
Okay. Palit. Both teams.
Foul 18.
18, may foul si number 18.
Nagpalit na yung kabila. Nagpalit na.
Sampo kayo.
Sampo. Bola ng Van Beveren. David. Ano yan? Bola. David. Ocampo. 2 points. Louis. 15 seconds shot clock. Bola ng Van Beveren. Number 99. Nagdidribble. Robin. Ocampo. 37, 15 seconds. Another one. Reset. 14 seconds.
Hindi, wala. Continuous lang.
14 seconds.
Hindi, continuous yun.
Continuous. 10 seconds shot clock. 5, 8, 7, 6. Covering. Substitution.
Huwag kayong mag-stay sa pwesto nyo. Ikot kayo.
Go. 15 seconds. 10. We have a foul.
Number 37.
37, foul.
Second team. First team? First foul?
Side out. Del Mundo naglalabas. Del Mundo ulit. Del Mundo tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Bong. Lumikot. Pasok. Lumay up. What do we have? Legal screen.
Wala sa team foul.
Jansen nagdadala. Jansen pasa sa kampe. Jansen ulit. Jansen crossover. Lumay up. Wala. Iwan ni Robin. Nagmamadali. 97. Counted. And 1. Foul number 4. Bonus shot.
Warning for penalty. 0 for you.
Bonus
BMS, warning for penalty. First personal foul by number 4.
Free throw, wala. Nakuha ni Ike. Ike, nagmamadali. Ike, umikot. Tumira, wala. Gagawan. Del Mundo, pasa kay Jansen. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Ronald. 0-3. Nagdadala. Nasa kay 37. 15 seconds. Tumira. Wala. Jansen. Crossover. Lay up. We have a foul. And 1. 2 points for Jansen.
Who's foul? 23.
Ilang fouls yun?
23.
Bonus free throw.
Gitna mo na, pre. Gitna mo.
Continuous lang. What? 0-4 yun.
Ano mo yan? Ayusin mo. 5-4 ba? Oo, 5-4.
Well, naisip mo na lang, pre.
Oy, picture silang gusto mag-picture. Picture kayo.
Ayun mo sila. Pre, picture naman kayo, pre.
Pindutin mo lang, kasabay smile.
Walang zoom yan. Ikaw mag-zoom, ikaw mag-zoom.
Ano yan, pre? Point 1 o ano?
Hindi ko alam eh. Point 1. Yung normal lang, normal.
Hindi ka na-adjust. Bila.
1.1.
Ay, point 3 na yata.
Yan.
1 lang.
1.
Normal lang siya, normal.
Yung normal yun.
Bio. We have a foul.
9. Foul number 9. Johnson.
24. Bikot. Wala.
16.
Louis. Dribble. Bikot. Tumira. Mayroon tayong foul.
24.
Foul by number 24.
Yun, kasama ba ako doon?
2 free throws.
Oh, pre. Thank you, pre.
First shot. Wala. Second throw. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Cape and we have a foul. Over the back. Number 2.
Second niya.
Second personal foul.
Second lang. Second team foul.
Second team foul. Dio. Pagkali yung foul sa board. 14. 3 points. Rico Padaya.
Assist. Dio, 1. 3 points. Padaya. Yun. May bayad dyan, pre. May bayad na yan, pre.
Kay Louie, pasa sa ilalim. Pasa kay number 2. Kumpiya sa ilalim. Paso.
Kaya dito. 3 points. Yan. Assist.
Number 1, nagkadala. Number 1.
Ay, Kuya Ay.
Pumunta sa ilalim. Euro step, 2 points. Arnold, nagkadala. Arnold. Nakagaw ni Bio. Nagmamadali. Crossover. Wala, but they have a foul. Foul rep.
5.
Number 5.
Second.
Second personal foul. Ilang foul?
Third.
Third team foul.
Tama yung team foul natin.
2 throws. First free throw by Bio. Pasok. Second free throw coming up.
Kobe.
Pasok din Kobe. Second free throw. Arnold nagdadala. Arnold. Del Mundo. 15 seconds, shot clock. 10 seconds. Over the over the top. Number 1. 14. Captain ball. Herald. Ibio. Eurostep. Wala. Herald. 3-second violation.
Maganda pala ko yung kanina yan.
Johnson. Johnson, nagdadala, pasa kay Del Mundo. Del Mundo, pasa kay Louie. 12 seconds, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7. Pasok. Wala. Dio. Traveling without passport. Turnover. Pasa kay Ike. Pasa kay Louie. Tumira. Wala. Ikot kay Piape. Rico nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Bio. Bio layup is good. 2 points. Go. Padayaw. Lumay up but we have a foul. Substitution. 2 free throws by Captain Bo. Substitution rep. Pasok.
Kuya, jacket! Para lang casual ah. Para may hangover ko eh. Pasok!
Balik. Kain ko doon.
Bigay yung pagkain siya, no? Hindi lang. Buti walang mic, no?
Pumasok ba? Ano yan? First second? First pa lang yan?
Second na.
Second free throw is good. And substitution. 14 out, 33 in. Ronald, Mr. Lucera. Joe Marie. $20 seconds. 3-point shot. Pasok. Besito Ron.
Number ni Ron?
12. Hindi. Diba? 12.
Robin. Robin. Lobby up. Nakuha ni number 03. Penalty, 2 free throws coming up.
Second personal foul, number 18, penalty left.
First free throw by number 03. Wala. We have a 3-point lead by Van Beveren. 03, second free throw is good. Ron nagdadala. Mr. Cuevas. Pasa kay Ike. Pasa kay Arnold. Balik kay Ron. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Knight. Sabihan ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Bob. David. Nagmadali. Madali. Umikot. Pamira pero kapos. Napunta kay Bong. Bong pasa kay Ron. Number 03, nagpadala. Dahan daw, sabi ng captain. 27, low may up. Wala. Bong, low may up. Wala. Pero meron tayong foul by Bob.
Kumain ka lang dyan, pre, habang nagsusulat.
Meron tayong foul, Bob, the builder. 99. Ilang fouls?
Ilan foul na yan? First, yeah.
First free throw coming up by Bong. First free throw is good by Mr. Lastimoso. Second free throw. Second free throw. Pasok din. Ocampo, nagdadala. 23 kay 03 kay Bob, pagdila ng 3, wala. Nakuha ni Ron, nagmamadali. Ron, umikot. Naagaw. Naagaw. Bob, tingting na titira. Pasok. 2 points. Number 99, 2 points. Arnold, nagdadala. Arnold. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Louis. Umikot. Nagagawan. Nagagawan at anong nangyari? Oh, number 3, we have a foul. 0-3.
Aray ko.
17 seconds. 50, shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. We have a foul. Ano yan?
It's foul.
And that's it. That's it for the second quarter. We have 2 free throws coming up by Mr. Ike Makuto, number 30. First free throw, Papos. Second throw. Pasok yung second throw. Our score at halftime. Our score 15-18 in favor of Van Beveren. Third quarter coming up. Dikit po yung laban natin. Ito lang yata yung ano. Yellow ball, gold.
Isa pang picture, pre. Yan ang inana.
Inbound by Johnson. So, Manyakop. Pinasa sa loob kay Bong, umikot. Lugay up. No good, but we have a foul by number 12. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws. Second free throw coming up. Pass up. 16-18 is our score. Bio, nagdadala. Bio, pasa kay Ortiz. Tumira ng 3. Wala, pero nakuha ni Herod. Herod kay... Oh, mali. Nawala yung bola. Meron tayong foul, blue ball. Who's foul rep?
4.
Number 4. One team foul each. Padayaw, connecting the play. Padayaw. Bikot, 15 seconds. Tumira. Wala, rebound by Ike. Johnson. Kick ball. Reset shot clock.
14.
14 seconds. Manyakop. Meron tayong foul. 24, pushing foul.
Reset, 14.
14 seconds. Number 12, 3 fouls. Second team foul. Tumira, rest, wala. Nakuha ni Bong. Pumasok din sa banda. Tabla na po tayo.
2 points.
Number 1, nagdadala. Number 1. Padayaw, tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound. 14 seconds. 12. Umikot. Pasa kay Piape. Nagawa, nagmamadali. 2 points. Namak na po ang BMS.
Daddy ko yan.
We have a foul.
Sub.
Who's foul?
Substitution rep.
Who's foul, rep?
Who's foul rep? Who's foul?
Who's foul? Yeah, who's foul?
Who's foul rep? Wait. Kanino foul yung kanina? Johnson daw, Johnson.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Dapat kanina.
Bio. Pasa sa ilalim kay Renz. Counted. And 1.
Who's foul, rep?
Who's foul rep? 18. Foul number 18.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Third personal? Third team foul. Tama yung team foul, apat?
3 lang.
Ito yung team foul. 3 lang nga, kuya.
3 fouls. Atis.
Personal foul nila.
Ron, pinasa kay Johnson. Crossover. May foul tayo. Number 14. Side out. 14 seconds. Next out. Number 12. Putira, number 3. Wala.
Sub, rep.
Substitution. Sub.
Pindutin nyo yung buzzer. Pag ano.
Kita laban natin. Rico. Tumay up. Pasok and 1.
Who's foul?
1-6. Number 16. Ilang fouls? First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus free throw. Pasok. Johnson. 20 seconds. Johnson, agawan. Rico nagmamadali. Umiikot pero meron tayong foul by number 12. Mr. Ron. Penalty.
personal. Attention.
2 free throws. 2 free throws coming up. First throw is no good. Second throw. Second throw. Pasok. Ron, nagdadala. Ron. Louis. Tubira. Dos. Wala. Rebound ng blue. And we have a foul. Penalty.
Kuya, warning for graduate. 18.
Number 18, warning for graduation.
Alitan mo na yan, pre.
More fouls na si Bong, ha?
Stop.
Substitution ref. Bong out. Ian in. 2 free throws. First throw. First throw is good. Second throw.
Wala.
Second throw. Pasok din. Our score 27-20. Ay, tumira. Wala, nagagawan. Dark ball. Di pala. Gold. Nagaw. David. Lay up, pasado malakas. Hindi pa ni Piape sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Napunta kay Porques. Wala. Piape. Nagawan. And we have a foul. 23. Warning for penalty na rin ang blue. 1 minute 30 seconds left. Ron, tumira ng 3. Pasok. Padayaw. Lumea at pasa kay Ocampo, tumira ng 3. Bumawi si Ocampo. Iyan, nagdadala ng bola. Pasa kay Ike. Tumira ng boarding, wala. Rebound by Louis. Pasok, 2 points.
Rebound, putback.
Ocampo kay David. Dribble. Padayaw. Dribble, lumaya sa loob. Wala. We have a foul penalty. Second personal foul. Penalty. Two free throws coming up. First throw.
Hindi mo daw alam.
Pasok.
Ano ba gamitin yan? Ayun na. Pusin mo na.
That's it for the third quarter. Meron pang isang free throw. Free throw. Pass. Wala.
Wala, hindi na shoot.
Hindi shoot.
Walang shoot. Wala.
Rico! Wala na akong pagsusulatan ng points mo, pre. Wala na akong pagsusulatan ng points mo. Ano ba ba?
Wala ako nang iskoran. Wala na pala eh.
Hindi na ipasok yan sa kabila na.
Dapat di na ipasok yan.
Wala na. Wala space. Pre, salamat. Wala na. Oh, exit ka. Yeah, okay na. Alas 3 na. Mamami.
That's it, that's it.
Alas 3:30. 3:30.
Jan. Parayno.
Dito na.
Fourth quarter na po tayo. Paki-reset yung foul. Paki-reset yung foul. Okay. Fourth quarter.
Illegal screen. 33.
Illegal screen.
Time.
Okay, start. Manyakop, Kapagawan. Last touch. Bio, last touch. Hindi daw. What's the ball?
Ayaw makinig.
Apat. Stop mo muna yung clock.
Running time eh.
May oras pa naman may oras tayo. Matigas talaga niya.
Tawag na eh.
Score 25-31. Lamang ang blue team.
Kasi pumito si Janvi. Kung pumito sana siya.
Bio. Eurostep di Bio na nakuha ni Bob. Nagagawan.
Foul na naman.
May foul. Number 4.
Third personal foul, yeah.
Third personal. First team. Bob, wala. Nakuha ulit ni Bob. Pasok ang tira ni Bob. Ian, nagdadala. Ian. Pasa kay Ike. Pumasok sa loob. Umikot. Wala. Louie. And wala ang foul, pero may turnover tayo. Bio. Jomari. Tumira si Jomari. Wala. Nakuha ni Bio. Kung pumasok yung tira ni Bio. Louie, pinaikot yung bola. Nagkadala. 16 seconds. Lumay up si Johnson. Wow. Magic shot. 2 points by Johnson. Bio. Nagkadala. Bio. Pasa kay Bob. Bob directing the play. 10 seconds. Tumira ng 3. Pasok ang tira ni Bob. Johnson nagdadala. Johnson pasa kay Ian. Pasa kay lalim kay Ike. Automatic 2 points. Bio nagdadala. 15 seconds. Tumira si Bio, wala. Nagagawa, nakuha ni Ike. Ike, nagpapadali. Ike, pumasok sa loob. Titira ba? Tumira. May foul tayo. 2 throws coming up. Substitution. 12 out, 14 in. Score 29-38. 9-point lead po ng blue team. First free throw, pasok.
33, warning for graduate.
Number 33, warning for graduation. Second free throw coming up. Second free throw, wala. Meron tayong violation. Hindi, may isa pa pala. Tama. Meron pang isang bonus free throw. Ike. Pasok. 31-38 is our score. Van Beveren lamang next sub. Padayo, kay Pio, pasok sa loob, pasa kay Ortiz, wala. Padayo, ay hindi pala, nagagawan. Nasa labas na. Substitution. 7-point lead by blue team. Del Mundo, Nabawan, Ocampo, traveling without passport.
Bigay mo sa point guard. Eh,
Louis, umikot, pinasa kay Ike. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Punta kay Bong, pasa sa ilalim. Nagagawan. 24, ilan na yan?
Gana si 24.
Wala.
Dalawa.
14
14.
seconds. 3 seconds. Fire.
Pasok ka na ron. Ron, pasok.
4 minutes, 25 seconds left. 16 seconds. 10, 9, may have a foul.
Number 1.
Offensive foul by Mr. Bio.
Stop tayo. No foul. Let's go, taas kamay.
Ay, pinasa, wala. Nakuha ni Ocampo. Nagmamadali si Padayo. Diretso sa loob. Pasok, 2 points. Get ready for stop clock.
Stop tayo, stop. Usap sa likod.
Johnson, Ike,
Usap.
Ian.
How long, ref? How long?
10 seconds. Tumira si Louie, wala. We have a foul. Substitution, ref. Get ready for stop clock.
Foul 14.
2 free throws coming up. Clock.
Masarap ang ulam ni Mr. Bata ngayon. First shot is good.
Yeah, pasok. Mr. Bong.
Second shot. Short.
Wala rin pa ba
Rebound.
Padayo, nagmamadali. Padayo, dumidiretso. Pasok. 2 points by Padayo. Bong. Pasa sa ilalim. Louie. Meron tayong foul. Foul by 37. Penalty na ba? Wala pa.
Penalty.
Penalty na. Ilan na si 37? 2 free throws coming up. 2 personal fouls ni Mr. David. Hindi pumasok yung unang free throw. Second free throw. Pasok. 2 minutes 43 seconds left. Bio nagdadala. David tumira ng 3. Pasok. 3-point shot by Mr. David. Ike nagmamadali si Ike. Ako nagawan. Napunta ulit kay Arnold pasa kay Ron tumira ng 3. Pasok. Bumawi.
Clock.
9-point, ilang lead yan? 8-point lead. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, Violation! Violation!
Basag.
Ano, nagaw ni Bio. Bio, nagmamadali. Lumay up si Bio. Pass up 2 points for JC. Mr. Ike, nagmamadali. Mr. Ike, pasa kay Johnson, ay Ron. Ron, tumira ng 3. Nagagawan, sino kaya? Napunta kay Piape. Pasa kay Bio. Bio, nagmamadali. 15 seconds. 10, 9.
Who's foul?
Counted. Counted and a foul.
Rico, wala na akong pagsusulatan, pre.
1 minute, 10 seconds left. 12-point lead po tayo. Bonus free throw. Wala. Gold. Wala ng gold. Arnold, balik kay Ike. Ike, tumira ng 3. Muntik na. Nagagawan. Ganito kaya. Pasok yung tira ni Louie. Meron tayong foul. May ball.
Graduate.
Lastimoso foul down. Inbound. Nagagawan. Punta kay Padayaw. Padayaw. Pangasa kay Ocampo. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Ocampo ulit. 14 seconds. Lumay up. Wala. And over the back.
Penalty.
Penalty, ref. Penalty.
Foul.
Penalty na ba yung blue? Penalty na yung blue?
Yeah, you call foul. Call foul. 23.
2 free throws coming up. 10-point lead. First throw, wala. Second throw. Pumasok yung second throw. And we have a timeout by the gold team.
Sasali ka ba sa ano? Bong.
Rico!
Ikaw na naman.
52 points, pre.
Nieta 49 na 52 points ka.
Sa kanya lahat.
Okay, back to the ball game. 14 seconds. At 24 seconds pala. Full court press. Inbound. Nagagawan. Traveling without a foul. Pasa kay Jansen. Tunog si kay Ron. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Takol pa kaya? Meron tayong foul.
Foul. 12.
6-point lead na lang. Mahaba pa yan, mahaba pa. Uy, may violation. Substitution.
Sub.
Violation tayo. 6-point lead. Exciting to. Baka makashoot pa. Inbound. Iya, nag-aagawan. Oops, kanina kaya? 14 seconds shot clock. Inbound ni Mr. Ike. 6-point lead, 15 seconds left.
Dugo. May dugo. Sub.
Ano yan? We have an injury substitution.
Hindi kasi pinaglaro yung bata eh.
Inbound by Ron, Mr. Ron. 14 seconds shot clock.
Hindi ko ulit 33 daw.
Tumira si Jansen. Pasok! 3 points na lang po lamang. And we have a timeout by Van Beveren. 3 points na lang. 13 seconds pa yan.
Ilan na yung timeout?
Anything can happen.
Ilan bang timeout?
Last na yun ah. Ilan ang ginamit yun? Meron sila na? Hindi, pangalawa na to. Kaya mga people kita. Dali, tadi mo maging mo sa kabila. Sa kabila.
Hindi, wala na. 13 seconds na lang. Full court ba kayo o half court? Shot clock is off.
Kala ko kusi talaga nakahabol nila. Kumahabol pala sila. Nagulat ako, kala ko kusi na lang eh. Yung pala pwede pang mag-over.
Back to the ball game. 13 seconds left, 3-point lead by the blue team. Makakagaw kaya. 13 seconds left. Shot clock is off. Inbound by Mr. Padayaw. Alright. Okay, isa lang daw pwedeng tumayo. Upo muna yung iba, upo yung iba.
Guys, technicalin ka yan.
Inbound by Padayaw to Bio. And we have a foul by Arnold. 2 throws.
Di pa.
May
isa pa, lang.
One more foul to give. May isa pang foul to give. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds. Okay, inbound again by number 14. Number 14. Pasa kay 37. Duty foul by Ron. 8.6 seconds left. 2 free throws.
May dalawa pa yata.
2 free throws coming up. First throw. Pasok. 5-point lead. Second throw coming up. Second free throw. Wala, nag-aagawa ni Ike. Pasa kay Jansen, nagmamadali. Jansen, tumira ng 3. Wala. Punta kay Ron, tumira ng 3. Wala. And that's it for the ball game. Nanalo ang Van Beveren. 4-point lead.
Rico, 59
50
points.
to 46. Ang ating best player of the game.
Last time yung kapatid mo eh.
Good game guys, good game. Sino ang ano?
Points. 4 rebounds.
19 points, 4 rebounds, ilang assist? Dalawang assist. Dalawang steal. Ako. MVP ah. MVP type ah. Number 14.
Nakakapagod kung tangin na.
59 points.
Oh, bola, bola.
Ten assists, 10 rebounds, triple-double si Rico.
Yeah, salamat. Ray.
May tissue kaya? Parang tingin na tissue. Pero tingin tissue.
Rico, triple-double.